This tutorial video describes Offering Tree's new email marketing features. To access these features, click on Email Marketing under Communications once you've logged into your site. And then you'll see that there are two tabs now, Newsletter and Automated Emails. If you'd like to set up an automated email, click on the Automated Emails tab, and then you can click on the Create Automated Email button. Once you open up this automated email builder, you'll see a variety of options. First, you can set the delay at which you want the automated email to send out. So in this case, I'll leave the delay at 1 day, but I could change this to minutes, hours, days, or weeks, depending on my preference. I'm now going to add a subject line. And then I'll type in some text that will be part of this automated email. Now that I've typed in the text for the automated email, I can add a file as an attachment to this automated email if I wish. So in this case, I'm going to drag a file. This is my welcome file. You'll see that it says it's uploading, and then once it's uploaded, you'll see this remove button. So if I decide that I don't want to use this attachment or I want to add something else, I can remove. And you can add multiple attachments to this automated email as you wish. Now at this point, I can preview this automated email, in which case I would enter an email address and this would show me a preview of the automated email. I can save it as a draft if I want to come back to it later, or I can activate it. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and activate it. And you'll see this little message that says the newsletter has been created. So now that I go back to the automated emails, it will list it as active. So this means that whenever somebody signs up for my newsletter, they will get an automated email 1 day after they've signed up for the newsletter. Now I could create a whole series of automated emails by layering them. So for example, I could create one that goes out at 1 day, another one that goes out at 3 days, 5 days, a month, and so on. So you can create this very complex series of interactions with all of the various clients and students that sign up to receive information from you. And it's a simple way to maintain that contact without having to remember who did I send it out to and when did I send out this communication. If you want to change the status, you can either edit your automated email and simply save as a draft. This will actually put it into draft status rather than active status. Otherwise, you can simply delete the automated email by clicking on the trash can icon underneath the delete column. So we hope that this new feature is useful to you, and we look forward to seeing all that you have to offer.